Going out to eat can definitely be a treat, but a home-cooked, delicious, and nutritious meal is the cherry on top. When you cook at home, you can control exactly what goes into or what is left out of your meal. But how often do you actually think about possibly the most important ingredient? Your cooking oil. Certain cooking oils are loaded with unhealthy fats, and they may end up making you more resistant to insulin. So, before you get started in the kitchen on tonight's dinner, you'll definitely want to stay tuned, because we're about to reveal which oils to avoid. And we'll unveil the 3 healthiest cooking oils, which can help you better manage your blood sugar. But first, here's a quick question. Which topic would you like us to tackle next? Terrible foods for diabetics, or healthy processed foods for diabetics? Vote by commenting below. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to grab our amazing new cookbook, plus 2 extra incredible gifts. Okay, let's get cooking. These are the top 3 cooking oils for fighting diabetes. Number 3. Organic virgin coconut oil. Have you heard the hype about the oil of the coconut? In recent years, many health experts have been singing the praises of this natural butter alternative. Why? This solid at room temperature oil, derived from coconut meat, comes fully loaded with beneficial antioxidants. And it's surprisingly low in cholesterol. 65% of the fats within virgin coconut oil are medium-chain triglycerides, which have been found to offer more health benefits than oils which contain large amounts of long-chain triglycerides. MCTs can be utilized as a rapid source of energy, unlike LCTs, which are typically transported through the bloodstream and often end up as stored fat. And while coconut oil does contain slightly more calories and fat than butter, it supplies phytosterols, plant-based compounds which can actually block cholesterol from being absorbed into the bloodstream. In fact, studies show that the MCTs within coconut oil can actually lower total cholesterol as well as harmful LDL cholesterol. Plus, research shows that MCTs can increase the amount of calories you burn, which can help your body become more efficient at weight loss. In fact, a recent study found that participants who used coconut oil for 8 weeks had more effective weight loss than those who cooked with peanut oil. And other studies have shown that, thanks to its healthy fat content, coconut oil has the ability to decrease blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and increase antioxidant levels, especially for those already suffering from type 2 diabetes. It's also been shown to lower the risk of heart disease. Meanwhile, the medium-chain triglycerides within coconut oil can give you other important health benefits. Approximately 50% of the MCTs in coconut oil are comprised of lauric acid, which has been shown to provide antimicrobial and antibiotic properties. All told, research shows that coconut oil won't just bring you anti-diabetes and pro-heart health benefits. It can also aid skin health, oral health, provide protection for your hair, and it may even reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. However, it's still best to keep your portions of this oil to a minimum, as a tablespoon still contains 120 calories. And be aware that unrefined virgin coconut oil's smoke point rests at just 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But you can still utilize coconut oil for your next stir-fry or baked dish. You can even simply make it a healthy dairy alternative for your morning coffee. So, which cooking oils will actually give you negative nutrition? What are the oils to avoid if you are worried about obesity or diabetes? Stay tuned to find out. First, here comes a little taste of the Mediterranean. Number 2. Extra virgin olive oil. Like virgin coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil is not heavily processed, but it will have a relatively low smoke point. However, using this cooking oil in the right way can give you some incredible health benefits. In fact, multiple studies show that olive oil intake may be beneficial for managing and even preventing type 2 diabetes. And this cooking oil can also help reduce other health risks associated with diabetes, including heart disease, strokes, cancer, and even Alzheimer's disease. This is largely thanks to olive oil's excellent supply of antioxidant polyphenols. Polyphenols protect against heart disease by decreasing cholesterol absorption, meaning less cholesterol ends up in your liver. In fact, olive oil is loaded with a range of antioxidants, including vitamins E and K, plus oleocanthal. Studies show that this antioxidant can produce the same anti-inflammatory effects as ibuprofen. Over 10% of olive oil is comprised of polyunsaturated fats, including beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. But over 70% of the fat content of extra virgin olive oil is in the form of oleic acid. This monounsaturated fat is renowned for its ability to reduce inflammation, lower bad LDL cholesterol levels while increasing good HDL cholesterol, and it can improve cardiovascular health in general. In the end, thanks to its supply of healthy fats, coupled with its free radical fighting antioxidants, multiple studies associate olive oil with weight loss, improved blood sugar regulation, increased insulin sensitivity, and even a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So here's another wonderful heart-healthy, cancer-fighting, anti-diabetes replacement to more processed cooking oils. But if you are worried about the low smoke point of extra virgin olive oil, don't fret. Simply make it the base for your next salad dressing, and you'll reap all its amazing benefits. The shocking #1 cooking oil for fighting diabetes is just ahead. But hold on just a sec, because we're giving you 3 free gifts. Say goodbye to the guesswork and hassle of healthy home-cooked meals by utilizing our new cookbook, Snacks, Meals, and Desserts That Lower Blood Sugar, featuring unique, easy, and delicious recipes, and how to fight back against high blood sugar by watching episode 1 of that diabetes documentary. Plus, discover the world's most versatile, inexpensive, and nutrition-dense foods in Superfoods for Diabetics. Simply click the link in the description below, and they're all yours. Now, the top cooking oil for fighting diabetes. #1. Avocado oil. Yes, the delicious avocado is considered a superfood. And yes, you can use avocado oil to create your next healthy meal. The oil of this popular fruit, yep, avocados are classified as berries, comes packed with healthy monounsaturated fats. Much like olive oil, over 70% of avocado oil's fat content is in the form of that wonderful oleic acid. So it's no wonder that just like olive oil, studies show that avocado oil has the ability to improve insulin sensitivity. And naturally, avocado oil also promotes optimal heart health while lowering LDL and total cholesterol. In fact, in a recent study comparing avocado oil to traditional butter, participants who consumed avocado oil had significantly lower levels of triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, inflammatory cytokines, and even lower glucose levels compared to participants who consumed butter. A separate animal trial showed that lab rats who were regularly given avocado oil for 45 days experienced significant reductions in both diastolic and systolic blood pressure. And studies show that the mono and polyunsaturated fats within avocado oil can work to improve insulin sensitivity. Meanwhile, avocado oil is rich in lutein, an antioxidant carotenoid which has been shown to improve eye health, while reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, which are major long-term symptoms of diabetes. And thanks to its supply of antioxidants, this cooking oil has the power to fight cancerous free radical damage. Plus, like olive oil, avocado oil supplies powerful anti-inflammatory benefits, and has even been shown to reduce the symptoms of arthritis. Where this oil really stands out is in its high smoke point. That means you can feel safe to utilize avocado oil for stir fries or other healthy grilled or sautéed dishes. At the end of the day, due to its great supply of antioxidants and healthy fats, coupled with its lack of sugar, avocado oil can help you fight back against heart disease, obesity, cancer, and diabetes. So there you have it, the top 3 cooking oils for fighting diabetes: coconut oil, olive oil, and delicious, nutritious avocado oil. But we know you've been waiting to hear about which cooking oils to avoid. Well, while canola oil has a higher smoke point than olive oil, most versions are highly processed, which may raise the risk of certain forms of cancer. But even less refined versions of canola oil will supply large doses of inflammatory omega-6 fats. Similarly, corn oil, cottonseed oil, and soybean oil all contain high levels of omega-6 fats and are grown from less than healthy, genetically modified plants. Studies show that these oils can increase inflammation and may lead to the development of tumors. And palm oil has gotten a bad rap of late, mostly due to its cultivation. Processing this oil has resulted in high amounts of deforestation, and it has even reportedly led to the extinction of several animal species. So beware of palm oil, soybean oil, cottonseed oil, corn oil, and canola oil. But don't be afraid to try coconut oil, olive oil, and avocado oil. Well, that about wraps up this Diabetes Smarts vid. What did you think? Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comment section below. And make sure to cast your vote. Terrible foods for diabetics or healthy processed foods for diabetics? Which vid would you like to see next? Tell us your preference by commenting below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And ring that bell for future notifications. Plus, you definitely won't want to miss out on our 3 free gifts. So click that link below right now. Thanks for watching. We hope you are having a healthy, happy, diabetes fighting day.